Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add shadows to text and images within Canva. So let's get straight into it. First of all, I'm going to show you how to add shadows to your text in Canva. So I'm going to remove all of the text that we have here already. So I'll delete this element and this one as well. And then I'm going to go to text on the left. And now I'm going to add some completely new text. And I'm just going to put some random text in here. And what I'm going to do now is change the color of this text. So I'll make it blue. And now we will add a shadow to this particular text element. So I'll click onto the text and then I'll right click it and copy. And now I'm going to right click into the blank space and click paste. Now I'm going to change the color of this second text layer. I'll try this dark color over here. And I'm also going to decrease the transparency. I'll try about 50. Now what I am going to do is move this text element and put it just behind the original, but it needs to be showing a little bit. So I'll use the arrow keys in order to be more precise. I think this looks good about here. And now I need to position the second text element backward. And there we go, we now have a nice shadow on our text. So now I recommend grouping your text layers. So select them both and then click group up here. And now you can easily move your text around as it is in one group with your two text layers, creating a nice shadow effect. So that is how you add shadow to text in Canva. Now I will show you how to add a shadow to an image in Canva. So I'll just move this text out of the way first of all, and then I'll go to photos. And we are going to get a photo and bring it into our design. Let's try this one just here. I'm going to make it a bit smaller. Here is okay. And once again, we're going to do it pretty much the same way as the text. So I'm going to right click it and click copy. And then I'm going to paste it in again. And now what we're going to do with this second image is click onto adjust up here. And I'm going to bring the brightness up. I'll try about 20. I'm going to bring the blur up. Let's say about 40. And I'm also going to bring the contrast up a bit as well. I'll put that as 20 as well. There we go. I'm going to close this panel on the left so that we have more space. And now once again, I'm going to put this image over the top of the original. And I'm going to use the arrow keys to precisely put it over it. And we want a little bit of space like so. So now once again, we're going to click onto the second image and go to position and then backward. And then as you can see, we have a nice shadow behind our image. Now once again, we can actually group the elements. So to do that, we need to select both of the elements and then click group up here. So now we can easily move around our image that has a nice shadow effect. So as you can see, the nice shadow behind the image just here. Now, in order to choose where you have the shadow reflecting, all you need to do is move the second image. So I'll give you a quick example. If I click onto this image and ungroup them, I now want to select only one of the images. So I'll select this one here and I'll place the image here. And now what we are going to do is select the second image, the one that we use for creating the shadow. And I'm just going to move it over here. And what I want to do is put the shadow on the top left of the original image. So we simply need to move the background image to the top left, just like so. So now as you can see, the shadow is at the top left. I do recommend grouping them whenever you create a shadow effect, so that you can move them around easily. And there you go, it is as easy as that. So that is how you create shadow effects on images and text elements within a Canva design. That is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something new. I will see you in the next one. Once again, thanks and goodbye.